All right, ladies and gentlemen, the Arise Domino Effect Machine final run. On your marks, get set. And things are moving along very nicely. Woo! Nice. Slowly but surely. Nice. Yeah! All right. So, let me congratulate you. That run was remarkably clean compared to the last one. I would say, in fact, you had zero intervention all the way up to just the very last step. But that's 50 steps in theory with 50 people working on a very complicated project and pulling it off. So, job well done, folks. Well done.
How did you compare to others?
So I'll give you a frank answer to that, actually. Having basically one intervention on a process with 50 is almost as good as you can get. Like, there were, the first run, I counted probably about 7 things that were notable interventions that had to happen. There were things that were a little shaky. This one, it all got smoothed out, with the exception of the thing that worked last time, of course, but not this time. But that was fantastic. So you reflect well against your peers. Okay, so this...
It's the feedback we needed.
Yeah. This magnificent contraption is going to be pulled apart. You can help us quickly by grabbing stuff, putting it on the tables over there, and in a moment, I'll do one final wrap with you, and lunch will be just down the hall. But we got a few minutes to help break down, and we'll go from there.